The startup idea is simple. What if one company could handle delivery operations for different types of businesses? Today, businesses need to deliver many different things. Restaurants need to deliver food, grocery stores need to deliver groceries, e-commerce businesses need to deliver packages, retail stores need to deliver products, and many local businesses also need delivery support. But managing delivery is not simple. Businesses need delivery partners. They need to manage their availability. They need to assign orders. They need to track deliveries. And when a delivery partner is not available, they need to find another one. Our idea is to create one delivery operations platform that handles this work for businesses. A business receives an order. The order is sent to our platform. Our platform finds an available delivery partner. The rider picks up the item and delivers it to the customer. The business can track the delivery through the system. And once the delivery is completed, the order is marked as delivered. The interesting part is the delivery partner. Instead of working with only one type of delivery, the rider can work across different categories through the same app: food, grocery, e-commerce, goods, and other local deliveries. For example, a rider completes a food delivery. After completing it, the platform can check for another nearby delivery. If there is a grocery delivery available and the rider has selected grocery work, the platform can offer it. The rider can accept it and continue working. So the same delivery partner can handle different types of deliveries during the day. The business gets delivery support. The rider gets access to different delivery opportunities, and the platform manages the operation between them. This is not another food ordering app. It is a delivery operations business. But why would businesses need an external company to handle their delivery operations? That is where the real problem begins. For a business, delivery is part of the daily operation, but managing a delivery team takes time. A business has to find delivery partners, check their availability, assign deliveries, track orders, handle delays, and find replacements when someone is not available. When the number of orders is small, this may be manageable. But when orders increase, the operation becomes harder. Imagine a restaurant during its busiest hours. Many orders are ready at almost the same time. The restaurant needs enough delivery partners to take those orders. If there are not enough riders, orders can wait. The same thing can happen with grocery stores, retailers, and other businesses. They may have enough customers and enough products, but they still need people to move those products to the customer. This is where an external delivery operation can help. Instead of building and managing a large delivery team themselves, businesses can send their delivery requirements to the platform. The platform handles the delivery partner. The business pays for the delivery service. This can also help when demand changes. A business may need more riders during busy hours and fewer riders at other times. A shared delivery network can move available delivery partners toward areas where delivery demand is higher. The business can continue using its existing order system. The delivery platform focuses on one thing: getting the order from the business to the customer. But this model only works if there are enough reliable delivery partners available. So the next question is, how do we build a delivery workforce that can serve different businesses and different types of deliveries? That is where the delivery partner becomes the most important part of the network. The delivery partner is the key to this model. The idea is to give riders access to different types of delivery work through one app. When a rider joins the platform, they can select the categories they want to work in: food, grocery, e-commerce, goods. For example, a rider may turn on food delivery. When a food delivery is available nearby, the platform sends the order to the rider. The rider accepts it, picks up the food, and delivers it to the customer. After completing the delivery, the rider becomes available again. Now, the platform checks for another suitable delivery nearby. It could be another food order, or it could be a grocery delivery if the rider has selected that category. The rider can accept it and continue. The same process can happen throughout the day. The rider does not need to create a new account for every category. The rider uses one app. The delivery history stays in one place, and payments can also be managed through the same platform. But the rider should not receive too many deliveries at the same time. The platform needs to control the delivery flow. The rider completes the current delivery first. Then the system looks for the next suitable order. This can help the rider spend less time waiting for work. It can also help businesses access delivery partners when they need them. But there is another important part. If the company wants businesses to trust this delivery network, it needs to make sure its delivery partners are properly verified, trained, and equipped. So how would the company build and manage this delivery workforce? Before a delivery partner can start working, the company needs to verify them. The rider registers through the platform and provides the required details. The company checks the information and completes its verification process. Once approved, the rider can start receiving delivery work. But verification is only the first step. The company also needs to explain how the delivery process works. how to accept an order, how to pick up the item, how to handle the package, how to contact the customer when needed, and how to complete the delivery correctly. The company can also provide its own delivery kit, a branded delivery bag, a company t-shirt, an ID card, and other equipment needed for the delivery. This creates a consistent identity for the delivery network. The platform can also track every delivery. When the rider reaches the pickup location, the status can be updated. After picking up the item, the delivery starts. The customer can receive delivery updates, and after the item is delivered, the rider completes the order through the app. The platform records the delivery details and proof of delivery. If something goes wrong, there should also be clear rules. For example, if an item is damaged, missing, or the customer is unavailable, the rider can report the issue through the app. The company can then follow its delivery terms and support process. The goal is simple. Businesses should know who is delivering their products. Customers should know where their delivery is. And delivery partners should know exactly what they need to do. Now the delivery team is ready. But there is still one important question. How does a business send its order to the delivery platform? That is where the technology comes in. Now the delivery team is ready, but the platform also needs a simple way to receive orders from businesses. Imagine a restaurant already has software for managing its orders. A customer places an order, the restaurant accepts it, the food is prepared, and now it needs a delivery partner. Instead of calling a rider, the restaurant can connect its order system to our delivery platform. The delivery information can automatically reach our system. The platform receives the pickup location, delivery location, and other basic order details. It then checks the available delivery partners nearby. The right rider receives the delivery request. The rider picks up the order and starts the delivery. The business can see the delivery status through its dashboard. This same system can work for grocery stores, retailers, e-commerce businesses, and other companies. But not every small business will have software that can connect to our platform. So the company can also provide a simple dashboard. The business can enter the pickup and delivery details manually and request a rider. This gives businesses two options: connect their existing software or use the platform directly. The long-term goal is simple. Businesses should not need to change the way they manage their orders. Their existing system can handle the order. Our platform handles the delivery, and the delivery partner handles the final journey to the customer. This creates a connection between the business, the delivery network, and the customer. But building this network costs money. The company has to pay delivery partners, operate the technology, provide support, and manage the entire delivery operation. So how does the company make money from each delivery? That is where the business model comes in. The business model is simple. Businesses pay our company for the delivery service. The company then pays the delivery partner for completing the delivery. For example, imagine a business normally spends around 70 rupees for a delivery. Our platform could charge around 80 rupees. The extra amount becomes part of the platform's revenue. But 10 rupees is only an example. The actual price can change based on distance, location, delivery type, demand, and other costs. From the delivery charge, the company has to pay the rider. It also has to pay for technology, customer support, recruitment, training, delivery bags, uniforms, and other operating costs. So the company cannot look at only the 10 rupees difference. It needs to make sure the amount left after all costs is enough to run the business and make a profit. The biggest opportunity is the shared delivery network. If a rider completes one delivery and finds another suitable delivery nearby, the rider can continue working instead of spending a long time waiting. This can help improve the use of the delivery network. For businesses, the benefit is access to delivery capacity without having to manage the entire delivery team themselves. For riders, the benefit is access to different types of delivery work through one platform. And for the company, every completed delivery can generate revenue. But there is a major challenge. The company needs enough businesses sending orders and enough riders available to deliver them. Too few riders can cause delays. Too few orders can leave riders waiting. So the company has to build both sides of the network carefully. And that leads to the biggest challenge of this business. Can this shared delivery network actually work at scale? Building a delivery network sounds simple, but running it in the real world is much harder. The first challenge is finding enough delivery partners. If a business sends an order but no rider is available nearby, the delivery can be delayed. So the company needs to build a strong delivery team in every area where it operates. The second challenge is demand. Riders need enough delivery work. If there are too few orders in an area, riders may spend more time waiting. That is why the company needs enough businesses using the platform. The third challenge is delivery quality. Every business expects its products to reach the customer safely and on time. So the company needs clear rules for pickup, handling, delivery, and customer support. There is also competition. The market already has delivery companies, logistics companies, and delivery management platforms. So this startup cannot simply say that it is another delivery service. Its main difference has to be the shared workforce. One delivery network serving different types of businesses. One rider app. Multiple delivery categories. Another challenge is cost. The company has to pay delivery partners while also paying for technology, support, recruitment, equipment, and daily operations. If the delivery price is too high, businesses may not use the service. If it is too low, the company may not make enough money. So the pricing has to work for both sides. And then there is one final challenge. Trust. Businesses must trust the delivery network with their products. Customers must trust the delivery process. And delivery partners must trust the company to provide clear work and payment. If the company can solve these problems, the network can become much more valuable. Because the goal is not just to complete one delivery. The goal is to build a delivery operation that businesses can depend on every day. And that brings us to the final question. What could this network become if it succeeds? If this model works, the network could grow beyond a few types of deliveries. More businesses could join, more delivery partners could join, and more delivery categories could be added. A restaurant could use the network for food, a grocery store could use it for groceries, an online seller could use it for packages, a local business could use it for sending products to customers. The same delivery workforce could serve all of them. The platform could also become smarter as more deliveries happen. It could learn which areas have more demand, which times are busy, where riders are available, and where deliveries are taking longer. This information could help the company improve delivery assignments and reduce waiting time. For businesses, the long-term goal is simple. They should be able to focus on their products and customers while the delivery operation is handled by a specialized network. For delivery partners, the goal is also simple. One app, one account, one payment system, and access to different types of delivery work. But the idea still has to prove itself. The company needs to build trust. It needs enough businesses. It needs enough delivery partners. The technology needs to work. And most importantly, the numbers need to make sense. Because a simple idea is only the beginning. The real challenge is building it in the real world. What if delivery did not have to be managed separately by every business? What if businesses could simply connect to a shared delivery network whenever they needed it? That is the opportunity. And the question is, can this become a better way to handle delivery operations? Thanks for watching.